B&D launched Australia's first roller door 60 years ago and has defined urban curb appeal ever since.
To mark this milestone, B&D has released 2 new roller door colour collections. You can now create the look of real timber on a roller door. And what's more, B&D's Timber Coat collection is available in 4 wood grains.
B&D's Luxe Design Metallic Collection delivers a subtle reflective lustre, adding dimension and depth under varying light conditions. Available in 6 colours.
B&D, 60 years and still on a roll.